Welcome, English friends. I'm Devin, and I teach calm, slow English for real life. Today's lesson is about the articles a, an, the. These articles are words that you find in English that come before nouns. We use the article a before nouns that begin with any letter of the English alphabet except vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. You do not use the article a before nouns that begin with vowels. For those nouns, you use the article an. For example, I need a pillow. Remember, I'm saying a because that's how we pronounce a as a word in English. See my other video about that. Next, I would like a glass of water. If you're at a restaurant, you can also say, I'll have a water. For an, we use an before vowels. Remember. For example, for breakfast, I ate an egg and a piece of toast. Or I only ate an orange for breakfast. What else? I am making a new recipe for dinner. I will need an onion. An. Deciding between a and an is very easy. You only need to ask, what does the noun begin with? Is it a vowel or a consonant? And you will have your answer. Next video, we will talk about the article the. Good job today, friends. See you tomorrow.